How to fix your TikTok video has been muted problem. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix your video has been muted problem. Well, basically, if it is one of your old posts and it says the video has been muted, right? Then it might be that the original sound has either deleted or set that particular video to private. However, if you recently uploaded a particular draft and now it is saying your video has been muted due to copyright content, then it is due to copyright, right? In that case, what you can do to avoid it, to remove it, what you can do is, for instance, let me show you. I've just recorded a song here and it says, if I tap on next, it says you can see music can't be used. So if I continue anyway and upload this, then my video will get muted. How I can avoid it? Well, you can tap on replace music. Now don't skip the video simply because I'm replacing the music. What you can do is you can go ahead and select any viral music that you wish, or you can select that particular music. Then you can go ahead and tap on edit option. On edit section, you want to go ahead and unmute your original video, and then you want to go ahead and tap on volume for the particular sound you added, and you can mute that completely. Now what this does is it will affect the algorithm of TikTok, and you can go ahead and post it, and you can see now I'm not getting any copyright issues. So basically my video won't be muted even if I upload it. So this is the trick. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.